Circle, circle.
Finish!
Circle, circle, circle. Circle, circle, circle. Stay in bounds. Circle.
Set it up. Let's go. Come on. Get on top.
Circle, circle. Stand up, Erick.
Up, Erick. Let's go.
Stand up, Erick.
Come on, Erick. Try to base up. Up.
Stand up, fight the hand.
Break it.
Keep on your toes. Again. Keep your weight on them.
Look away.
Up.
Stay up. Turn the face up. Get to your feet.
Yes.
Break him down.
Get the half.
Go, run it.
Get up.
Run it, Erick.
Get up.
On your feet.
Get on your feet.
Run it, Erick.
Take a shot.
It's tied, Erick. It's tied.
Finish.
Turn the corner. To the side.
Come on, Erick.
All right, Erick. Now you gotta get away.
Get up.
Look away, Erick. Look away. Army crawl, Erick. Gotta get to your base.
Head up.
Base up now. Base up. Good stand up. Stand. Base up again, Erick. Base up again.
Just drive it. Do it again. 1 hour and a half. Do it again.
Come on, Erick. Keep pushing.
Jump to the side. Drive it.
Rip it off. Rip it off.
Look away. Open your eyes, Erick. We're wrestling. Get to your base. 30 seconds left, Erick. Get one.
Come on, Erick. Get your one. Get up. Grabbing headgear. Elbow down. Let's go, Erick. Come on. Look where you're at. Breathe, Erick, breathe.
Short time, Erick. 6 seconds. Be tough, buddy.
Come on, breathe. Try to get your one. Up. Come on.
And the clock's not going. I'm fairly sure that's 6 seconds.
So it should be 5-2 red. 5-2 red.
7. Ref, should be 7. Red has 7. All right, let's go, buddy.
Finish!
Turn the corner. Up, Eric, up.
Keep going, bridge!
Fight, Eric, fight. Come on, buddy, turn. Bridge and turn.